This is the Kospet POWER Android smartwatch. It's running Android 7.1.1, and with that you have all the complement of controls and activities that we've seen on all other comparable Android smartwatches, including weather on the last tab there. You got notifications on this side, and when you come up, you've got your summary of your activity in terms of steps, distance traveled, and calories burned in metric or in imperial. When you come over here, you get into your app drawer, contacts, phone, and messaging for the SIM card you put in this one, settings, and all the other stock apps that we see in the Android smartwatch community, including access to the Google Play Store to download any app you want, and you've got the face unlock capability with the forward-facing camera. You have a side-facing camera on here as well, and you've got a really loud speaker. Tested, this is the loudest speaker I've seen or heard on an Android smartwatch. It also has a smallest look when wearing it because of the smaller, thinner, plain bezel in a 1.6-inch Android screen smartwatch. All in all, it's a really nice, fully functional, basic Android smartwatch, the Kospet POWER. Check it out.